Well, hey there, everyone. Happy Tuesday to each and every one of you. I'm King 5 Meteorologist Adam Claibon here to tell you about, well, you probably guessed it if you look outside your window. Sunshine. It's out there, and not only just us closer to Puget Sound, but it looks like today should be drier and maybe sunnier than what we had back on Monday. Now, we're going to see some changes later into the week. We'll get into that, but today looking to be a pretty nice day. We could even see more 50s ahead and probably get to that 50-degree mark here in Seattle for the first time since February 12th. First, let's go outside and take a look what's happening out there. And you can see the sun is currently in Seattle, and we've been noticing a lot of it all across western Washington, Bellingham. Sunny skies, pretty blue there, even some additional sunshine to what we had yesterday in Westport. You can definitely tell there are more clouds as you get closer to the coast, but shoreline, looking at our high school site there at Shorecrest, definitely noticing the sun that is firmly in place. Now, I cannot completely rule out a stray shower or two, but I think most of us will probably dodge those. We'll see the sunshine here throughout the day. Evening, heading into the nighttime hours, additional clouds, and then we'll see those break apart. And early tomorrow morning, we'll be back closer to that freezing point again, maybe slightly above, with those temperatures dropping to about 32 degrees. Now, the satellite radar picture does show the showers staying just off of the coast. We still have that spin in the atmosphere, that upper level low. That's hanging out here right just off of the South Washington coast, northern Oregon coast. And over into these parts right here, as you get closer to those areas, that's where you're going to have some of the better chances of rain. So again, closer to the coast you are, the better chances you'll see maybe a few showers here today or even into the evening. But that energy, I think for the most part, is going to be staying to our south for today. We'll see another area of moisture start to get dragged up and pulled up here from the south as we go on into Wednesday, and eventually that'll impact us as we head into Thursday. So there is more rain on the way, but you can enjoy the break today because I don't think we see much of that at all. Here we are, spotty chance of showers kind of here and there, not even seeing that steady rain like we did yesterday out along the coast. Tonight, skies clear for the most part. We'll see a few clouds mixing in from time to time, and then we go on into the day for tomorrow, Wednesday. Overall, I think early on, definitely drier than wetter. Then by the afternoon and evening, we do start to pick up a bit more on some of those chances of rain on into the evening hours there. Again, the chances are not going to be too widespread or too heavy as they come through. But by Thursday, we do start to see those opportunities of more widespread rain coming back across the Olympic Peninsula and for more of the coast. Could it be cold enough for interior parts there that we could see some of that snow, especially along the south slopes of the Olympics? As we go deeper on into Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, those rain chances, they kind of hang out around some of those spots, but they are going to start to head farther to the east as we head on into Thursday night and into Friday. And Friday looks to be the wettest day that we have here for the work week. So continuing on here, as far as rain amounts, I think through early Thursday morning, most spots around 1/10 of an inch, where you see some areas like around Everett and Seattle picking up 1/4 of an inch. I wouldn't be too focused on that. Yes, I think whichever spot does pick up in some of the showers here over the next couple of days, that's where we could see maybe 1/4 of an inch, but large in part, I think most spots will be just around 1/10 of an inch, unless you see one of those heavier showers move through your area. And then we go later on into the week. So here we are Friday, and it looks like snow levels again are going to be high enough, especially around Puget Sound and for the lowlands here, that we're dealing with generally just rain, maybe a slight mix that could produce maybe a few snowflakes within some of the rain showers. Southwest interior, keep an eye out for maybe some of that snow. And then as we get above 1,500 feet into the foothills, into the Cascades, that's where we'll see quite a bit of snow move through with this as it goes on by. But that will be your wettest day. Then we head into Saturday. It looks like that mainly dry, showers and sunbreaks kind of here and there, and continuing on into the forecast period. Later on into Sunday evening, more so Sunday night, we'll get the next round of rain start to come in, which will be around for us heading on into Monday. And the temperatures bounce back and forth. And again, it's been a while since we've hit the 50-degree mark. Yesterday, we were just shy at 49. I think today we'll be right around that mark again if we don't hit it today. Slight chance tomorrow, better chances probably around heading into Thursday before we take another dive heading on into Friday. So speaking of highs, here we are, lower 50s in Blaine, Linden, Mount Vernon up to 52 degrees. Around the upper 40s in Port Townsend, Friday Harbor topping off at 49. Drier the farther north you go, also clear. Farther south you go, we'll have a few more clouds, then that slight chance of a shower moving through, upper 40s and low 50s for some of those numbers. And then farther south, upper 40s and low 50s, and again, maybe a slightly better chance of seeing a shower down this way, but all the way up to 54, we will take that. And then your 7-day forecast, here we are, upper 40s and low 50s all the way through Thursday. That Friday chance of rain does come in with deeper clouds and also heavier rain. And we see cooler temperatures because of that too. But we bounce up nicely again, back up around the 50-degree mark, average high of 53. So none of these numbers that you're seeing going to be at that point. But again, we are improving a little bit as we head throughout this time. And of course, with sunsets now after 6 p.m. and eventually after 7 p.m. with daylight saving time this upcoming weekend, we will start to at least mentally start to prepare and feel more like spring here as we go throughout the month of March. So be ready for that rain later into the week, but if you can get outdoors here today and enjoy the sunshine, I would suggest that you do so. So take care, have a terrific Tuesday, and we'll talk to you later.